My daughter is about to be a whole fashionista. Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beach. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to do a review on patpat clothing. When I was pregnant, I used to see baby stuff all over my Instagram, I guess because that's what I was searching for, and their advertisement popped up. So when it was time for me to actually order baby stuff and prepare for Milani to arrive, I thought it would be a good idea to order some stuff from them. And I ordered a variety of stuff. So I ordered stuff from 0 to 3 months to all the way to 6 to 9 months. And I ordered April 22nd, and I got my confirmation of my order and all of that. Then they gave me an update on April 30th and says, we're reaching out to you to provide an update on your order. 10 items of your order have arrived at our warehouse and we're trying our best to prepare for the rest. Your order will be shipped immediately once everything is ready. Okay, fine. That was 3 days later. Then May 8th, so they said on May 8th that I've been waiting for my order for almost 2 weeks, and they said it's going to be delayed, and they gave me a $10 coupon code, which I didn't care for. I just wanted my order. My order did not come until June 20 something. I can't remember the exact date, but June 20 something. So from April until June, 2 months they took to send me my items at patpat, and that's right there was a big turn off. I know that COVID-19 is going on and a lot of people are receiving an influx of orders and stuff, but 2 months, bruh. And they said that my order has been shipped from, let me see, about May, and it took them a whole month for my order to reach to me. And the tracking number that they gave me said that my order had been shipped, and that was the only update that they gave. That right there was just a hot mess. Okay, hot mess. So the shipping was completely horrid. Okay, the shipping was horrid. It took 2 months. Okay, and they said they shipped my order within a month, and when I checked the shipping, all it said was your order has been shipped, if left the facility, blah blah blah, and it would give me no update as to where in the United States it was. But that's neither here nor there. The items came, they came nicely packaged, they came individually packaged. And let's get into some of the stuff that I bought, because honey, my daughter is about to be a whole fashionista. A whole fashionista. Okay. So I got her some slippers. These are the slippers that I got, and they're trendy, they're on trend, they're super cute, very nice. Hubby said these are house slippers. I got her this little outfit. It comes with a headband and this is actually 3 to 6 months. Cute stuff. I'm just showing you guys some of my favorites because I ordered a lot of stuff, and this is actually 3 to 6 months also, and it comes with a nice little hat. Honestly, I feel like one of the things that I must say, I feel like their sizing is not consistent. Some stuff that they say is 0 to 3 months, I feel like it's 3 to 6 months. Some of the stuff that they say it's 6 to 9 months, I feel like it's like for a 1-year-old. So I feel like their sizing is not very consistent. Look at this. I know this is gonna mess up my lighting, but whatever. This And some of the stuff also had like a funky smell, like, you know, old people, that's the kind of smell that it gives. Okay, so when you get these, you're definitely going to have to wash them. This is another one of my faves, and they say this is 0 to 3 months. Honestly, I feel like this is 3 to 6 months, and I have big babies, so when I say something is like 3 to 6 months, know that it's 3 to 6 months. My babies can't fit Gerber clothes after a while, because normally they grow so fast and they get so big so quickly. So I normally don't buy Gerber clothes because their sizing isn't consistent, and as soon as I wash them, they shrink. And then this little cute outfit, and it comes with this. I think she's probably gonna need her own little Instagram page because she's about to be a whole fashionista. Okay, a whole fashionista. And this, and it comes with a headband. I also got a pink one. This, just cute. And I made sure I bought stuff from all age groups, so she'll have stuff to wear when she hit like certain milestone, like when she hit 3 months old, 6 months old, 9 months old, a year old. So yeah, as far as quality is concerned, I feel like all the stuff are made of good quality. I have no complaint with that. The shipping is hard, it kind of smell funky, and the sizing is not consistent. Those are the only things that I have to say. But if you're willing to wait a long time to get your clothing, you're not too concerned about the sizing differences, then you can definitely buy, definitely recommend. Even though that their shipping took forever, I'm probably gonna buy from them again because I love everything that I got, needless to say. So that is my review on Patpat clothing. Have you ever purchased from them? And if you have, what did you purchase? Are you planning to purchase from them and that's why you're looking at reviews? This is not sponsored, by the way, because I've seen some that are sponsored here on YouTube. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. This light keeps going in and out, in and out.